2024 Honda CR-V, release date, price, specs, pros and cons. The 2024 Honda CR-V is one of the most attractive and impressive compact SUV segments. This new Honda CR-V has a more unique and eye-catching exterior style with more interior space and features. So this new CR-V will be the most luxurious and fully different from its previous generation of Honda CR-V. Also, this new Honda CR-V is a top-ranked compact SUV of Honda Motors. For example, it ranks on the first position in the compact SUV segment. You know that this is the most competitive segment, and even after it is ranking in first position, then it will have some extra that makes it a top compact SUV. As well as this new Honda CR-V is offered with more standard safety and tech features. For example, the new Honda CR-V 2024 comes standard with a large touchscreen infotainment system with more modern connectivity features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and much more. So if you want to know everything about the new Honda CR-V, then must read this article till the end. Because in this article we will know everything about it. For example, we will know that when it will be available, how much the price of it will be, and how fast it will be, and we will know much more like Honda CR-V specs, interior, engine, power, performance, and much more. Honda has already redesigned Honda CR-V in 2022 for the 2023 model year. On July 12, 2022, Honda revealed it for the 6th generation of the Honda CR-V, which is gone on sale in September 2022 for the 2023 model year. So we don't expect that once again Honda will redesign it for the 2024 model year. So it is likely that the Honda will carry over it for the 2024 model year without any major changes in its exterior and interior design. 2024 Honda CR-V release date. We know that the 2023 Honda CR-V is available for order, which was gone on sale in September of 2022. So it is expected that the next Honda CR-V will be available in the summer of 2023 for the 2024 model year. We will update this article when it will be available to order. So if you want to get the latest update notification from SUVBazaar.com, then don't forget to subscribe or follow us on Twitter and Facebook. 2024 Honda CR-V pros and cons. Pros: the attractive and eye-catching exterior style. Luxurious interior. More cargo and interior space. Large and latest infotainment system. Standard safety features. Cons: fuel economy could be better. Hybrid powertrain noisy. 2024 Honda CR-V price and trims. The currently available 2023 Honda CR-V is offered in 4 trims including Hybrid Variants X, Sport Hybrid, XL, and Sport Touring Hybrid, in which its base trim price starts at $31,610 which goes up to $39,100. We hope that the Honda will follow the same trim structure for the next Honda CR-V, so here we have given its estimated price on the basis of the 2023 model. However, we come back soon with its latest price. Trims price: EST X $32,500, Sport Hybrid $33,500, XL $35,000, Sport Touring Hybrid $40,000. 2024 Honda CR-V interior. The interior design of the Honda CR-V is already so luxurious and spacious. So we don't think that Honda will do any major changes in its interior design. As you can view its exterior and interior design in its interior and exterior photos. After viewing its interior photos, it seems that it will have a more luxurious interior with a neat and clean design. As well as Honda has confirmed that the new Honda CR-V will have more cargo and interior space than ever before. So you will get more interior space. And for your suitcases also you will get more cargo area. For example, behind its second row, you will get a cargo space of 36.0 cubic feet. So you will get a large cargo area with a new Honda CR-V. If we talk about its interior features and quality, then we find that there is no problem with its interior. Its first and second row has enough legroom and headroom by which anyone can easily sit inside it. As well as, its interior is built with high-quality materials and soft-touch materials. The new Honda CR-V comes with a large touchscreen display and gauge cluster display, by which drivers can easily control their vehicle without any trouble, and also enjoy their journey with modern tech features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 2024 Honda CR-V engine, power, performance. The new 2023 Honda CR-V is offered in 2 powertrains, a gasoline powertrain and a hybrid powertrain. Its first 2 trims X and XL come with only gasoline-powered powertrains, whereas its other 2 trims Sport Hybrid and Sport Touring Hybrid come with a hybrid-powered powertrain. The new Honda CR-V non-hybrid trims X and XL are powered by a gasoline 1.5-liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine that generates the power of 190 HP. All this power is sent to a front or an all-wheel drive drivetrain with help of a continuously variable automatic transmission. Whereas its other two hybrid trims Sport Hybrid and Sport Touring Hybrid are powered by a 2.0-liter inline 4-cylinder hybrid engine which is equipped with two electric motors that generate combined power of 204 HP. The Honda CR-V hybrid trims come with standard all-wheel drive drivetrain, so all power is sent to an all-wheel drive with the help of CVT transmission. The Honda CR-V's performance is also good for a family-friendly such a big SUV. It can accelerate 0 to 60 miles per hour in just only 7.5 to 7.7 seconds. So we think that the 2024 Honda CR-V will have the same engine powertrain as the 2023 model. 2024 Honda CR-V MPG. As we know that there is no expectation that Honda will do any major changes to the 2024 CR-V, so it is not likely that its fuel economy will be changed compared to the 2023 model. So we hope that the fuel economy of the 2024 Honda CR-V will be the same as the current model. So here we have given its fuel economy according to the 2023 model year CR-V. The new Honda CR-V comes with two powertrain options, non-hybrid and hybrid. Its two trims X and XL come with a non-hybrid 1.5-liter turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, which gives a fuel economy of 28 mpg in the city and 34 mpg on the highway with a front-wheel drive drivetrain. Whereas its hybrid trims Sport Hybrid and Sport Touring Hybrid come with a 2.0-liter inline 4-cylinder engine with two electric motors, and these give a fuel economy of 43 mpg in the city and 36 mpg on the highway with a front-wheel drive drivetrain. 2024 Honda CR-V safety features. The safety and infotainment features could be the same as the 2023 model year Honda CR-V, so if you want to know about the safety features of the Honda CR-V, then you should read this article. Know about everything about the 2023 Honda CR-V. However, below we have given its safety features list. Here are some of the new Honda CR-V safety features. Collision mitigation braking system. The CR-V is equipped with a collision mitigation braking system that uses radar sensors to detect an imminent collision. If the system determines that a collision is likely, it will automatically apply the brakes to reduce the impact or avoid the collision altogether. Lane keeping assist system. The lane keeping assist system uses a camera to detect the lane markings on the road. If the vehicle begins to drift out of its lane without the turn signal activated, the system will gently steer the vehicle back into its lane. Adaptive cruise control. The adaptive cruise control system in the CR-V uses radar sensors to maintain a safe following distance between the vehicle and the vehicle in front of it. If the vehicle in front of the CR-V slows down, the system will automatically adjust the speed of the CR-V to maintain a safe distance. Road departure mitigation system. The road departure mitigation system uses a camera to detect when the CR-V is about to leave the road. If the system detects that the vehicle is leaving the road, it will apply the brakes to keep the vehicle on the road. Multi-angle rear view camera. The CR-V comes equipped with a multi-angle rear view camera that provides a 360-degree view of the area behind the vehicle. This feature is particularly helpful when backing up or parking in tight spaces. Blind spot information system. The CR-V also features a blind spot information system that uses radar sensors to detect when a vehicle is in the driver's blind spot. If the driver tries to change lanes while a vehicle is in the blind spot, the system will provide a visual and audible alert. Overall, the new Honda CR-V safety features provide drivers with peace of mind knowing that they are protected by advanced safety technology. These features are designed to prevent collisions and mitigate the impact of accidents, helping to keep drivers and passengers safe on the road. 2024 Honda CR-V specifications. Trim X. Model 2024. Engine 1.5L turbo inline 4. Drivetrain FWD or AWD. Transmission CVT. Power 190 HP. Torque 179 lb-ft. Seating capacity 5. Fuel tank capacity 14 gal. 0 to 60 miles per hour 7.5 to 7.7 seconds. Top speed 124 miles per hour. 2023 Honda CR-V specs. 2024 Honda CR-V dimensions. Length 184.8 inches. Width 73.5 inches. Height 66.2 inches. Wheelbase 106.3 inches. Curb weight 3,497 pounds. Passenger volume 104, CU Ford. Cargo volume 39, CU Ford. Max towing capacity 1,500 pounds. 2023 Honda CR-V exterior dimensions. Honda CR-V interior dimensions. Headroom, front/rear, 38.2/38.2 in. Legroom, front/rear, 41.3/41.0 in. Shoulder room, front/rear, 57.9/55.9 in. Hip room, front/rear, 55.6/52.6 in. 2023 Honda CR-V interior dimensions. Conclusion. In this article, we have known about the next Honda CR-V like the 2024 Honda CR-V redesign, release date, pros and cons, price and trims, interior, engine, power, performance, and other important information. We hope this article will be helpful for you. If yes, then must share it with your friends and family. Thank you. When will the 2024 Honda CR-V be available? The next Honda CR-V is expected to be available in the summer of 2023 for the 2024 model year. How much will be the cost of the 2024 Honda CR-V? The exact price of the new Honda CR-V is not declared yet by Honda, but it is likely that its price could start at around $32,000 for the 2024 model year. Will the 2024 Honda CR-V be redesigned? Look, Honda has already fully redesigned it for the 2023 model year. So we don't hope that once again Honda will redesign it for the 2024 model year. And neither Honda has said anything about the next Honda CR-V.